guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola Sithibo bafethu igama lami Ayanda Mgidlana also known as uKoke. Ngiyabonga Sithibo for lethuba leli futhi ukuthi ngize mfethu sizobonakalisa ukuthi siphetheni bafethu. Mesibheke iOrlando Pirates versus Richards Bay lana eArena bafethu. Orlando Arena. The game was interesting, but before siyakude Sithibo ngisicela ukuthi umama we Amazulu number 1 supporter Amazulu uQueen uSuthu ilale ngoxolo umoya wakhe ulale ngokuthula ne leader yethu lana eArena bafethu uMakhalanjalo uba uMakhalanjalo sicela naye umoya wakhe ulale ngoxolo abantu ukuthi sibheka kubo kakhulu in terms of support ama team wethu nothanda balikeza ama team wethu sithi dudu emindini yabo dudu nasema teamini wabo Sithibo and then manje singangena kwindaba zebhola ukuthi game idlala kanjani Sithibo kule game lena let me start Richards Bay ukuthi idlale kanjani. Richards Bay came to this game as Sithibo with a very good momentum because baqeda ukushaya iChiefs uyangithola. Richards Bay they are a team that is well coached Sithibo team ekwazi ukudlala. The weakness Richards Bay is converting goals.
True.
But in terms of creativity they can create. Coming to this game confidence was very high. Richards Bay came to this game was playing a low block, mid block. Trying to play on transition. Ngama counter attack, hit Pirates ngama counter attack. And then in the middle field, Richards Bay, number 20 wabo. Umthembu. Umthembu mnandi inozikhali lapha phakathi and then number 6 wabo just forgot isenema number 6 wabo. These three players they were against Umbatha, they were against uMakhihleni Makhawula, they were against uTito lapha phakathi uyangithola ibattle meyikhona la battle leyana for the first 20 minutes or 15 minutes it was very intense because lama team lawo ajwayele ukudominate ku middle field ama game wa Richards Bay ajwayele ukuthi be the team yiyo ebamba ibhola ne Pirates na ajwayele ukuthi yiyo i-team ebamba ibhola ema game wa so they were fighting for that dominance in the middle field but umuntu okwazile ukuthi ayiwine la battle leyana ibe ngumbatha today. Mbatha was very important in that battle. He was the one that won that battle with Orlando Pirates ku middle field. And then another thing eyenzakele when Mbatha start winning that battle, dominating in that middle field, abeke presence yakhe abeke inyawo lakhe phansi kule game leyana. What happened is iOrlando Pirates ithathe uSibilibili yamisa wide yavula iground ngoSibilibili yavula iground ngoHotho and then yathaka in uRele yathaka in uApolice yathaka in uTito. So meaning that lapha phakathi uTito ujoina bani Umbatha ujoina no Makhawula baba 5 lapha phakathi so bayenzani idominance lapha phakathi meaning that le low block ne mid block Richards Bay iba confused because now as much as nabo bafuna compact phakathi ba compete nale 5 phakathi kunalabantu abayi2 aba wide uSibilibili noHotho and aba wide kanje uSibilibili noHotho baba switchela amabhola every time baba switchela amabhola especially le side leli la kaSibilibili because if isikole ize ngeside la kaSibilibili now once they leave uSibilibili 1 versus 1 ne full back yabo one on the side uSibilibili yakwazi kuyiminus was taking on uSibilibili and another thing they were using Orlando Pirates was that as much as are wide uSibilibili I1 they will come underlap uTito or underlap uRele or underlap uApolice and equally ze kanjalo ukuthi one of them ba underlap abasuka phakathi and then kwaba ne cutback eza kuApolice that's where they finish so they were very smart on doing that. If they are not getting uSibilibili on this side they will play ibola on the other side to uHotho to bring in Amacross which were very dangerous Amacross kaHotho on that side. So I feel on that side the way by approaching Orlando Pirates tactically spot on for coach Orlando Pirates in that instance but Richards Bay yona into mibashaya i-game iba too much for bona ngiyangithola abazange basakwazi ukudlala and number 20 Richards Bay was the one was supposed ukuthi abayenze badlala in the beginning number 20 mukuye mongathi uzodominate i-game but number 20 into mekayenza uluza amabhola amaningi the reason why Umbatha agcina dominate i-game mekathatha kuba namabhola wakhe number 20 ngiyangithola number 20 Umthembu mekaluza amabhola and waluza cheap akusamabhola ukuthi bayammarka amabhola ukuthi bayamphasa ashawe first touch uyangithola athi uyathena athenele kuma opponent bathatha ibhola. That is where really uApolice uTito beba recycle khona amabhola uyangithola and uTito ugood ngama half space. So now uTito maka recycle lamabhola la kuma half space, he was very dangerous in daily. He was causing a lot of problems for Richards Bay. For me ukuthi bakhiphe uTito, I think it was a mistake. But ucoach mfavile ngoba ungenile wakora evidence makhopho ukora ngepenalty yoangena wakora ngepenalty which imsebenzele. But for me against the opponent it's tough, I would not sub uTito in a game in tough because you need someone ozoba ne control. As much as umbatha wina amabhola, umbatha akho good ngokuphasa, uTito uyo good ngokuphasa, uyo good ngokucirculate ibhola. But in this instance imsebenzele ucoach will give him a thumbs up. And then going forward is Thibo. Siyabheka from inside le Mamelodi Sundowns because you a competitor in the Orlando Pirates for number 1. Sure. Sundowns Thibo has been in this position before. Sundowns have won won a league with 3 points. The last day with 3 points against another Soweto team.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Morocco Swallows. Morocco Swallows. We were coached by coach Jeff Butler. After suspend you Bafana was with Sundowns win a league with 3 points. So we're used to this kind of situation. We're used to this kind of situation. We've been here before, Thibo. Sundowns has won 7 games in a row before. Astal. Steyn, Laporte. Guys, we nearly 7 games in a row. We've been here before. Back to back.
Until
we've been
end.
here before. Sundowns not the first time we're cream of the crop. The best players. Isaac Shai, Roger Fetumba. So we've been here before, Thibo. Lama player la swine lama cup. Right now we've got the cream of the crop. So it's relaxing. Spetabo Leon. Spetabo Nuno, Spetabo Santos, very smart. Racino, the things they were doing yesterday, quality player, the passes. You saw like Thibo. Unalento lena ngakutshela yona ngathi eSouth Africa sinenkinga yamagoli. I once told you that. Ilento catch up on Orlando Pirates. Ukora amagoli. Bheka manje Reyners mega out uyabuya by top goal scorer while Orlando Pirates has been players bebadlala consistent. I'm not taking anything away from winning Orlando Pirates, but I'm saying izinto ezikanje and manje imingena kulento lena boresina basinikeza yona la eSouth Africa. Look at the way they play those boys. There's the way they look at the way Urosino ahedele ibola back, Ununa ahedele ibola back Urosino ukuthi akora. Look at the cross efaka uSales. Uyangithola? Still we need that level. We need players that think like that. For us to get the last fun but for a competition njengoba iPirates neSundowns compete kanje I think it's going to be good for us going to the World Cup because our first game is against Mexico. We need players who are hungry, players who are used to the pressure. Maybe it's a sebenzela. Ngiyabonga.
Hayi ntwana, hayi thank you.